Greetings, children. Welcome to your online classes. I'm Aishwarya. This video is for Class 1, Subject General Science, Chapter 3, Water, Sources of Water, Need and Properties of Water, Part 1. You will have 2 videos for this lesson, and this lesson is all about water. Let's begin. All living things need water to live and grow. Water is very essential in our daily life. How long do you think you can stay without drinking water? Not for very long, because our body requires water. We need water to live and to grow. Not only us, even the animals and plants also need water to live and grow. Water is very important in our daily life. Every day we use the water for different purposes, and water is a very essential part of our life. As soon as you finish eating, the first thing that you do is drink a glass of water because your body requires water. If there is no water, plants die and soil become very dry. We also, if we don't get water for 1 or 2 days, we become sick. We start searching water for everywhere. We quench for our thirst and we search for water everywhere. The same way, even the plants also dry up and they die if you don't water them, or if they are not finding any water, and the land becomes dry. Like you can see in the second picture, the land becomes very dry without water. We should always drink clean water. Dirty water makes us ill. We should always drink clean water. Why? Because clean water is healthy. But dirty water will have mud, will have germs in it, will have dirty things in it, which we should never drink. We should always drink clean water, which can keep us healthy. Dirty water will always make us ill. So you should purify your water, filter your water, and then you should use it. We use water for different purposes in our house. Of course, we use water for different purposes in our house. What are the things that you can think of? We use water for bathing. Every day we should clean ourselves using water. We should take bath. Taking bath means it is cleaning your body. Our body will have lot of dust particles and dirty things on it. So every day it is very important to take bath, or you should clean your body with water. We use water for cleaning in our house, washing clothes and washing utensils. Utensils means your vessels in your kitchen. We use water for washing clothes, for washing utensils, and to clean our house. After brooming your house, your mother will sweep the house. The sweeping is done using the water. Very important, we use water for cooking. In cooking, we use water to clean the vegetables. Then for cooking, as in when you are cooking, we use water, 1 glass of water. When you're cooking rice, it requires lot of water. So the different purposes in our daily life is, we use water for bathing, we use water for washing utensils and clothes, and even for cleaning our house. We use water for cooking. Every day morning, as soon as your mother wakes up, she goes outside and cleans the outside balcony, or the in front of your front door. She cleans, she pours water, and she puts rangoli, and it looks neat, right? Water helps us to keep things neat and clean. Next, we get water from rain. Rain is our main source of water. Rain fills up water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. Here you can see a picture of a lake where it is raining. Next is there are different water bodies that you are going to learn. Now, first water bodies that are ponds and lakes. Ponds means the small water bodies that is covered by, that is surrounded by land. Surrounded means all the four sides the land will be there. And lakes are also the water bodies which are surrounded by land, but the difference is lakes are bigger than the ponds. The ponds are very small, and lotus also grows in ponds. So pond is the smaller version of lakes. Lake is always larger than ponds. They are nothing but small water bodies surrounded by land. Next is rivers. Rivers is flowing water bodies. They are water bodies which do not stand in one place. Now here in the picture you can see that from the mountain top it is falling like a waterfalls and it keeps flowing. That is the speciality of the river. Lakes and ponds are just stagnant. They are in one place. But rivers always keep flowing. The water in the rivers moves from the mountains to the sea. One more water body is the sea. Sea is nothing but the salted water oceans. Okay, oceans or seas. They are huge, large water bodies which have salt water in them. Now, this flowing water bodies always runs towards the sea. So the water in the river moves from the mountains to the sea. When it rains in the mountains, the water gets collected, starts as a stream and moves towards the ocean. That is called river. The flowing water body is called river. Next is groundwater. It is the water that goes under the ground. Now, every day when it rains in front of your house, the water keeps flowing away. Now the water flows away and at some places it goes inside the ground. Okay, it goes inside the ground and it is stored under the ground. That is called groundwater. Now groundwater we can get it out through wells or bore wells. We can use wells or bore wells to dig out water from the ground. This is called groundwater. So, in this video, you learned about what are the different important things of the importance of water in our life, and you learn different uses. That is, we use water for taking bath, we use water for cleaning our house, washing clothes and utensils. We use water for cooking, and water is very very important in our life, not only for us, even for animals and plants. We even saw that there are different water bodies like ponds and lakes. Ponds and lakes are water bodies surrounded by land. Rivers are flowing water bodies, and groundwater are the water that goes under the ground. So the remaining part of this lesson will be covered in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you, children.